Today I'll show you how to make the best corn chowder you have ever tasted. Let's quickly see how this recipe looks. Over medium heat, let's melt a 4 ounces bar of butter. The butter has melted. We now add 3/4 of a pound of diced onion, 6 ounces of red pepper, 4 ounces of celery, 2 ounces of green peppers, 1.5 pounds of tender corn, and 3/4 of a pound of diced potatoes. Move and cook until the onion is soft and tender. We now increase to medium-high heat and add 4 ounces of all-purpose flour. Move to combine very well for about a minute. Now add 1 quart of chicken stock and 1 quart of heavy cream. Move and wait for the soup to start boiling. Once we have achieved boiling temperature, let's turn the heat down to low. Now we add 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, but if you don't like the heat, simply skip it out. Continue by adding a tablespoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of ground white pepper. Move to combine these ingredients very well and then add 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste, however you prefer. Stir to combine and let simmer until the potato is tender. If you haven't done it, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Potatoes are tender, let's turn off and serve. This recipe will yield a little over a gallon of soup, which will give you about 10 to 11 servings of 12 ounces each. Remember that I will leave this recipe written down on our webpage, and you can find that by using the link that I leave in the description of the video. I guarantee you, this is one of those soups and recipes that will pretty much impress anybody that will try it. I hope that you can make it at home, impress your loved ones, and I will be seeing you, like always, on the next one.